Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the.
Hi, hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Watch, Berry, Learn. Been going for a little while, going through things as everybody has, right? And being quarantined, what better time than to do my unboxing of my hair? Yeah. So, this hair is from Vshow. Do you see that? Vshow. It's Wet and Wavy Peruvian. You know, really cute. What came in the box? Just a card on how to take care of the hair. You know what I mean? I actually got this hair because of this girl right here. I watched a video and was like, oh shit, I'm gonna get this, right? So, and it came with a cap, but I have the cap on, so voila, right? Okay, so let's pull this unit, honey. Yeah, so let's get to it. So do you see this beauty? Do you see those curls? They so soft. Oh my God, I love it. I just loved it. I washed it before I get there. So let's get to the good stuff, right? So it's supposed to be transparent lace. You see the lace. 4 combs, 1, 2, 3, and the back has a comb and an adjustable strap, right? And it has that strap, you know, to make it really snug, just in case you don't want to do glue, you know, optional. I like a little bit of glue, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be in the street, fly off, no. So, love this. This is so cute. I just love it so much, like, and it said Peruvian. So, I was watching this girl, she was doing coils, like, look at the, look. Oh my God, do you see that? Do you see those curls? Oh my God, they're so beautiful. These curls are just beautiful, you know, the lace. So I did bleach the knots some more. I wanted it a little more. So I bleached it. I wanted it to look. So let's see how this is looking. Let's throw this on, you know. Let's throw this under the band because I'm not ready to like put this down. I'm not ready to do this yet, so this is how this is gonna look. Let's see. It's not all the way straight. Let's move this bad boy over. Oh, ladies. Oh my God. You ever put something on you, girl? You be like, look, I ain't even got the lace off your operator. Yeah, cute. Cute is so. So, it's 13 by 6. You know, the little strap, you see it comes down. But you know, I'm going to make this blend, honey. This is going to be beautiful. But I love it. Like, and you know what's crazy? I never really like huge, big hair. But I love this hair. Oh my God. I will wear it just like this. It is so cute. It is so cute. Tell me what you think. Vshow, 18-inch Peruvian, wet and wavy. Dope. Really nice. Really nice. 6-inch. You know, I ain't gonna lie. So I co-washed it, bleached the knot. It's supposed to be transparent, cool. But what I did was, once I did that, it did shed a little bit. But I feel like anyone who thinks that a wig is not gonna shed is crazy. Like, it's gonna shed some. That's gonna happen. As long as my stuff don't start balding. Yeah, so as long as the lace doesn't start to like bald on me and stuff, I really don't matter. You know, as long as like I'm running my hands, I ain't pulling out gulps of it. You know what I'm saying? No. But I just think it's not realistic to expect any type of front lace wig, you know, not to shed. But either way, oh my God, let me show you. Can you see? Can you see the back? Oh my God. Can you see? So nice, right? It is like so dope, isn't it? I love it. What do you think? So I'm going to get to getting this on. And then I'm going to come back and let you see how it looks. I'm also going to do a follow-up video for after I have the wig for like, I never keep a wig on for a month, but probably like a week or two and see how it does and how it acts Oh my God, I love this. I love this. I do. It's beautiful. I think this is gonna blend very, very nicely. I just wanted to come up kind of closer and let you see what I've done. It's blended already. I ain't even do nothing. I was thinking if I should just pluck it a little bit to make this, because I don't want this like hanging. I want this like up and out, you know what I mean? And so you gotta have that, you know, that line a little more realistic. So what do you think? I think it looks really cute. I love it so far. Oh my God, Vshowhair, bomb shit. Yeah, I love it. It looks really, really, really nice. I love it big too. It's really coming across like real nice. So drop your comments. Tell me what you think. Do not hesitate. And be safe out there, everyone. Don't go outside. Don't. You see the turnout? I'm gonna let you get in closer and closer. Yeah, it looks good. My install ends up looking nice, fresh. Loved it. It's nice. I like it. I like it a little bigger though. Like when it was dry. It's a tiny bit damp right now. But you know, me messing with the curls, you know it has to be. It's not gonna last too long. So tell me what you think. You see that? No lace. So tell me what you think.